Hello students, welcome to class 7th Saturday session. In this session, we will discuss about the paper industry. Before that, we had discussed about the cement industries. Paper is used daily by everyone. Paper mills are situated in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. It is very useful thing. Newspaper print is made in Nepanagar, Madhya Pradesh, currency in Hoshangabad and Devas. Iron and steel industry have a huge machinery and their spare parts. Everything is made by the iron and steel industries. It is located in Billai, Madhya Pradesh, Bokaro, Bhadravati, Jamshedpur. That is why Jamshedji Tata is known as the father of iron and steel industries. Jute cloth, gunny bags, jute bag, etc. made from jute fibers. Nowadays, demand for gunny bag and jute bags have reduced. In place of bags made from artificial fibers are in demand. Then comes petrochemical industries. Mineral oil is extracted from the interior of the earth and there are many components in the mineral oil. Different components are separated after its purification to get kerosene, diesel, petrol, tar, coal, etc. This industry is dependent on mineral oil. The refineries in Vadodara, Jamnagar, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, Chennai purify the mineral oil. It is completing our demand. Remaining waste of the petrochemical industry is taken to the dyeing industry and pharmaceutical industry to make various chemical, soda ash produced from dyeing and pharmaceutical industries. They have a very great use of it. Chemical fertilizer agriculture is useful. In Gujarat is very prosperous. Kalol, Vadodara, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Gorakhpur, Durgapur, Sindri, everywhere chemical fertilizer is developed and grown. Dear children, this table is provided in the lesson to give the information based on agriculture, based on mineral and based on forest. Some industries developed. Then comes the important points transportation in India. Road and transportation is not only used for man but it is used for the goods from one place to another. Roadways, airways, railways and waterways are useful. In systematic map, here the roadways, Golden Corridor Road, National Highway Project, state highways, district highways, taluka roads, village roads, cities main roads, everything is important part in Indian economy as the transport plays very important role. So roadways are very important. Our National Highway Authority has developed many national highways starting from NH1 to NH12. Slowly it is also developed and given to you. Roadways are unique features of a nation and equally beneficial, constructed to connect village and provide facility of transportation to the villages. The road web of India is the biggest in the world. Village road is connect to the main road of taluka or district or city. Then district road is connected with the major regions of taluka. State highway capital is connected with the district headquarters and important city. National highway is the most important highway. It connects state with the another. It connects main cities, ports, administrative headquarters, etc. National highway number 7 extends from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. National highway number 35. Shortest highway Kolkata to Bongao and border of Bangladesh. Golden Quadrilateral is under construction in India. It will join the metropolitan cities Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and length would be 5,846 kilometers. There won't be any railway crossing, but 75 overbridges will be constructed. This way we have a systematic way. Next session we will talk for the railways. Thank you.